स्प्लिट्सविला फेम अनमोल चौधरी सिंगल मदर होने पर किस तरह ट्रोल हुई थी ये तो आप लोग जानते ही होंगे आप कि अनमोल ने सामने आकर उनके बॉयफ्रेंड के उन्हें छोड़ देने पर और उनके सिंगल मदर होने पर चुप्पी तोड़ी थी। अनमोल ने जहां ये बताया था कि वो, उनका बेटा जैसी और उनकी बहन एक साथ उनके नोएडा वाले घर में रहते हैं, वहीं अब अनमोल की बहन और खुद अनमोल भी एक दूसरे से अलग हो गए हैं, जिसके बाद एक्ट्रेस डिप्रेशन में चली गई थी।
Hey guys, so last 30 days has not been easy for me. I was super depressed because me and my sister, we decided to go our separate ways. So it was just me and Jace. Although Jace and I were together, but I still felt alone, and due to which I went into depression. And trust me, for those who think that depression is not real, depression is as real as me and you. So I'm gonna share my personal experience, what I did to fight it, and here I am. So of course initially for a week I was not able to even focus on work. I was overeating, I just wanted to sleep, I didn't want to speak to anyone. So I literally isolated myself for a couple of days. That is the least that I could. Then I reached out to my friends, I started reading books, I binge watched a lot of Netflix series, motivated series, which could take off my mind from the thought or whatever the negative thoughts I was getting. And then I created small habits for myself, like small goals like when I get up in the morning, I'll have a glass of water, I'll take my vitamins before sleeping, or I'll brush my teeth. Trust me, brushing your teeth is also a task when you're depressed and when you don't feel like getting up from your bed. And reading good things helps a lot. Then of course, my friends, they were always there to hear me out, what I was feeling, because sometimes you don't want to know that stop crying, stop whining, you're strong, you can do it. No, even I know that I'm strong and I know the solution. Sometimes I just don't want to listen to that. Sometimes maybe I just want you to tell me that it's okay, go easy on yourself, take a break. So it's okay. I'm telling you this, it is okay, go easy on yourself, take a break, you deserve it. Pamper yourself. I started doing things, I started painting, I started making dream catchers, I started singing, and of course it was really difficult for me to keep a happy face all the time, because I can't let Jay see me unhappy and sad, right? So I fought it real hard. I am feeling good today, I am feeling amazing today. So this is my 30 days journey. Anybody at all tells you that no, you're not depressed, you're overthinking, do not listen to them, because we do share posts and stuff on social media. We're always talking about mental health, but are we really talking about mental health? No, we're not, because I know a lot of people who are still afraid of showing their emotions, because they're afraid that they might be judged, and people might call them attention seekers. So what? How does it matter? Do not surround yourself with people, who are judging you, who are calling you attention seeker and all. It is okay to seek some attention. You're not asking for $1 million. So once again, you're strong. Of course you know that, but go easy on yourself. The world is not ending tomorrow, of course. And live in the moment, do what you like, set small goals for yourself, maybe go out with your friends, do what you like, have lots of water, eat properly, do not skip meals no matter what, because trust me, keeping a healthy diet is another big step towards having a healthy mental health. So cheers guys, I am back now.
इस रिपोर्ट के अंत में हम इतना ही कहेंगे कि अगर आपसे सबसे ज्यादा प्यार कोई डिजर्व करता है तो वो आप खुद हैं। एक बार खुद को चाहकर तो देखिए, आपकी जिंदगी खुद ब खुद बदल जाएगी। फाइनल कट, न्यूज़ डेस्क।